What's up, EO San Diego? Today we are here at our full-day negotiation workshop with Professor Holly Schroth from Berkeley, a subject matter expert in negotiation and one of the world's leading authorities.
I've learned probably about 15 years worth of knowledge in negotiation in just 3 hours. But one of the biggest tidbits I learned was usually people hold off on throwing a number at the other party in negotiation. What you should do is actually give your number and start from there.
We really illustrated the point that the negotiations, it's not necessarily a win or lose, and it's more finding the middle ground.
This was really amazing. I do M&A and I do negotiations literally every day, either working with the buyers or working with the sellers, and I always feel there's new ways and new approaches to this. So many things are out there when you're negotiating. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the people, it's about all the other things that matters. You would be amiss if you don't attend something like this, because even if you know this, it's always a good refresher.